And ito yung transaction details, payment received from SMS Profit. So nag-request po ako ng withdrawal kaninang umaga. And kung makikita nyo guys, the same date which is today, May 27, pumasok po kaninang 6:41 PM yung request kong withdrawal dito sa SMS Profit. So dito, meron lang siyang transaction fee which is $1 din, and yung total net ko rito or yung total na kinita ko rito is $4. Still, na kumita pa rin ako rito, and truly nga na paying yung SMS Profit. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko, and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Hello guys, welcome back to my another video, and for today's video guys, mag-share na naman ako ng another legit application na kung saan ay babayaran ka ng walang kahit anong effort na gagawin. So take note guys, libre lang po itong application na to, and completely and truly na wala kang gagawin talaga rito kundi maghintay ka lang na makareceive ng income. Alright guys, so everyday we are receiving text messages sa mga friends natin, sa workmates, or sa family. Well, how would you like actually to get paid like normally you do all day long? So yun nga guys, that's what's this video all about. Alright guys, so before we dive into this application, shoutout lang muna tayo. So shoutout kay Margie Ruiz, shoutout din kay Official Waffle, and shoutout din kay Dadsky214 Katibog, and shoutout din kay Nix Tricks, shoutout din kay JR Pogi, and shoutout din kay Easy to Get Money or Load, and shoutout sa inyong lahat. Okay guys, so yung application na sinasabi ko is ito yung SMS Profit. So paano ba to nag-work para kumita tayo dito? So ang gagawin lang natin dito guys is i-install lang natin yung application, and then magpo-provide lang tayo dito ng phone numbers natin. Take note guys, valid phone numbers po dapat, kasi magsisend po yan sila ng mga test messages, which is dyan po tayo kikita, and yung kikitain natin dyan is nag-range po sa $0.01 to $0.05 per SMS. And ang maganda dito guys is the more registered phone numbers that you have on your account is syempre mas malaki rin yung kikitain nyo. So guys, passive income po ito, and wala po kayong ibang gagawin dito kundi just keep your phone online and connected to internet. So make sure guys, para makareceive kayo ng text messages dito, dapat connected kayo sa internet all day long. And of course, dapat nakarun tong application na to sa background, and wag nyo pong i-exit yan. Alright guys, so para ma-install nyo yung application, kailangan nyo pong i-download yung APK file. So nandyan po yung link sa my description para ma-download nyo yung APK file at ma-install nyo yung application. So kapag ka na-install nyo na yung application guys, i-open nyo lang tong app. And dito guys, ang una nyong gagawin is mag-sign up muna kayo. So dito, click mo lang yung sign up. And of course, provide nyo lang yung valid email nyo rito. So as you can see guys, registration has successfully completed, and dito i-click mo lang yung yes. So basahin nyo lang yung description dito how this app works. So upon registration, makaka-receive na rin kayo agad dito ng $0.50. So dito guys, make sure na dapat naka-registered yung phone number nyo, and much better guys kung naka-dual SIM kayo dito so you can earn more money. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo lang dito guys is punta lang kayo dito sa account para i-set up nyo yung payment method. So dito guys sa payment method, meron po silang two options sa payment method. So dito guys, babayaran ka po nila through PayPal or Bitcoin. So kung PayPal ang gagamitin mo, i-choose mo lang yung PayPal, then just provide your PayPal email here. And then kung sa Bitcoin naman guys, choose mo lang yung Bitcoin, then provide your Bitcoin wallet address here. And then i-click mo lang yung save. Alright guys, so if ever na may mga questions kayo or may problem kayo, punta lang kayo dito sa help, and dito nyo makikita yung FAQ. So i-check nyo lang dito sa FAQ, and makikita nyo rito yung mga general questions, payment issues, technical issues na mga frequently asked questions. So for example, dito sa general questions, so i-check nyo lang yan guys dito. Then dito rin sa payment issues, so makikita nyo rito yung mga common questions. By the way guys, the reason why they are paying money for receiving SMS is mostly sa mga SMS providers and mobile network operators, kailangan po nilang mag-send ng mga SMS test messages sa mga foreign countries to verify at ma-ensure nila kung nadi-deliver ba properly yung mga SMS routes nila. And yun nga guys, we actually get paid dito kasi ginagamit nila yung mga phone number natin to provide such testing services. So yun nga guys, dito makaka-receive lang tayo ng mga text messages. So mga test message lang po yan. And after that, once na ma-receive natin, pwede naman natin yung i-delete agad. And of course guys, before kong shinare sa inyo to, tinry ko muna tong application na to for how many days para ma-check ko kung gaano ba siya kadalas mag-send ng messages everyday. And of course, para ma-test ko rin kung talagang paying ba tong application to. And yun nga guys, fortunately, nakapag-cash out ako dito and sobrang napakabilis lang ng withdrawal process dito. Alright guys, so papakita ko lang sa inyo yung isang account ko. Alright guys, so ito po yung isang account ko and pakita ko lang sa inyo yung SMS history ko. Ayan guys, ito yung SMS history ko and makikita nyo yung amount kung magkano yung bawat SMS na nare-receive ko. So dito guys, dalawang device phone numbers po ang gamit ko, which is yung Smart SIM ko and yung Globe SIM ko. So ito yung withdrawal proof ko guys dito sa SMS Profit. So kung makikita nyo, na-receive ko na yung $5 na winidraw ko galing dun sa SMS Profit and na-receive ko na rin dito sa PayPal account ko. And ito yung transaction details, payment received from SMS Profit. So nag-request po ako ng withdrawal kaninang umaga. And kung makikita nyo guys, the same date which is today, May 27, pumasok po kaninang 6:41 PM yung request kong withdrawal dito sa SMS Profit. So dito, meron lang siyang transaction fee which is $1 din, and yung total net ko rito or yung total na kinita ko rito is $4. Still, na kumita pa rin ako rito and truly nga na paying yung SMS Profit. Alright guys, so yun lang muna for today. Kung gusto nyong itry tong application na to, nandyan po sa my description yung link para ma-download nyo. Alright guys, kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, give a thumbs up and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next upload ko.